Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Saturday, July 12, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, good morning. How are you today?
Hi David, I am fine, thanks. A little tired from yesterday's meeting, and you?
Oh, me too. This coffee will help. It's a busy time in sales.
Yes, I know. Projects are piling up, need more coffee breaks?
Haha, right. Speaking of breaks, did you see the news this week?
Some of it. What did you read?
Well, first, international economics. The Wall Street Journal on July 8, 2025 said global markets are up. It's because of good economic data from the Americas.
Oh, that's positive. Markets up means better business, maybe.
Yeah, stocks rose by about 2%. My sales could get a boost.
True. As project manager, I see how economy affects our plans.
Exactly. If people have more money, they buy more products. Haha, easy sales for me.
But we must be careful. Economy can change fast.
You're right. Still, it's good news for now. Makes me happy.
Me too. What else in the news?
Next, technology. The New York Times on July 9th, 2025 talked about new AI tools for offices. They help with project management.
Interesting. I use project tools every day. AI could make it better.
For sure. It can organize tasks automatically. No more mess.
Yes, that sounds helpful. I spend hours on schedules.
Imagine AI does the boring parts. We focus on fun stuff.
Fun stuff like meetings. But yes, it saves time.
Totally. In sales, I could use AI for customer lists. Quick and easy.
Good idea. But do we need to learn new software?
Probably. Company training would help. Exciting though.
I agree. Technology changes work a lot.
Yeah. Now the third news is about society. CNN on July 10th, 2025 said there's a new trend in work-life balance. People take more short breaks for mental health.
That's great. Mental health is important these days.
Yes, like our coffee time. It's a short break that helps.
Exactly. I feel better after a quick chat.
Me too. The article said breaks can be 5 minutes or 10 minutes, just to relax.
Nice. Companies encourage it now. Better for productivity.
Haha. So we can have longer coffee breaks? Boss might say yes.
Maybe. It's a cultural change. People care more about health.
True. In my sales calls, I notice people are stressed. Breaks could help.
As project manager, I see team stress. Short breaks make sense.
Let's go back to the economics news. The WSJ said data from the US and South America is strong. Growth is up.
Oh, details? Like what kind of data?
Jobs are increasing and spending too. About 1.5% growth.
That's solid. It affects international trade.
Yes, our company sells to the Americas. More orders coming, I hope?
I will plan projects accordingly. Need to prepare teams.
Haha, you are always planning. That's why you are good at your job.
Thanks. Now on the AI tools, the NYT mentions specific features.
Like what? Tell me.
They help with tracking progress and assigning tasks.
Wow, that would cut my paperwork in half.
Yes, and for me it integrates with calendars.
Perfect. No more double bookings. Haha.
Right, but is it expensive for companies?
Maybe at first, but it saves money later.
True, technology investments pay off.
Yeah, relating to work, I think AI could help in sales forecasts.
That's strategic. Good thinking.
Thanks. Now the society trend. CNN said more people do short walks or breathing exercises.
I like that. I try deep breaths when busy.
Me too sometimes. It clears the mind.
Yes, society is focusing on well-being more.
In entertainment, shows talk about this too. Like work balance tips.
Cultural shift. Good for everyone.
Absolutely. If economy is good, companies can support these trends.
Each news is separate, but they all impact work.
Oops, yeah. Just connecting dots.
No worry. So back to markets. Do you think it lasts?
I hope so. Data looks strong.
Me too. Stability is key for projects.
For sales too. Customers feel confident.
Right. On AI, are there examples in the article?
Yes, some offices use it already. Productivity up by 20%.
Impressive. I want to try it.
Me too. Let's ask the boss.
Good plan. For the breaks, how many per day?
Article said 3 or 4 short ones.
That works, like coffee, lunch, and walks.
Haha, I already do that.
Me too, it's natural now.
Yeah, this trend makes it official.
Society is catching up.
True. Hey, did the economics news mention specific countries?
Like US, Brazil, maybe Canada.
Yes, strong jobs data there.
Affects global stocks.
Our stock might go up too. Bonus time.
Haha, fingers crossed.
On tech, AI tools are from big companies.
Probably like Google or Microsoft.
Yeah, reliable, easy to adopt.
I think so. Training is key.
Companies should do that soon.
Agree. For mental health breaks, any tips in CNN?
Yes, like stretching or chatting with colleagues.
Like us now.
Exactly. Best break ever.
Haha, yes. Help start the day right?
So, wrapping up, economics looks good,
Technology is advancing.
and society cares about health.
All positive.
Yeah, well, time to work.
Yes. Have a good day, David.
You too, Alex. See you later.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.